The customer brought their vehicle in, reporting that the check engine light was on. To begin diagnostics, I connected a scan tool and retrieved the trouble code P0339, crankshaft position sensor A circuit intermittent. This code suggests that the crankshaft position sensor was not providing consistent signals to the engine control module, ECM. I performed a road test while monitoring live data from the scan tool. During the test, I observed that the crankshaft position sensor parameter was erratic, which indicated that the sensor might be malfunctioning. The crankshaft position sensor plays a crucial role in engine timing by monitoring the crankshaft's rotational speed and position, allowing the ECM to optimize fuel injection and ignition timing. Next, I inspected the wiring harness and connector for the crankshaft position sensor, checking for visible faults such as damaged wires, corrosion, or loose connections. Everything appeared to be in good condition. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to verify the presence of voltage and ground at the sensor connector. Both were present, ruling out issues with the power supply or ground. To confirm the diagnosis, I backprobed the crankshaft position sensor and monitored its signal using a lab scope while performing another road test. The lab scope readings showed an erratic signal from the sensor, further verifying that the sensor itself was faulty and not an issue with the wiring or ECM. The crankshaft position sensor is a critical component of the engine management system. A faulty sensor can lead to issues such as poor engine performance, difficulty starting or stalling, and it can also cause the check engine light to illuminate. Proper diagnostic steps, including voltage, ground, and signal integrity checks, are essential to ensure the actual problem is accurately identified and unnecessary parts replacement is avoided. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty crankshaft position sensor with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the fault codes from the system and performed another road test. The vehicle operated properly, the check engine light remained off, and no new fault codes appeared. This step-by-step diagnostic and repair process ensured the issue was completely resolved and the vehicle was returned to optimal performance.